Hi folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Summer's finally over and the stats are in. Against all odds, it's been a drier than normal season here in tropical Queensland, as well as being a drier than normal month, despite La Nina and the flooding rains in the southeast. To make matters worse, this dreadful heat wave isn't showing any signs of subsiding. March has kicked off with scalding temperatures and oppressive humidity, hardly a taste of autumn. Today's top temp in Townsville was 35 degrees and in Charterstown 39. And look at those minimum temps. To the satellite loop now, it's a lot quieter than has been over the last several days, though in the tropics, as it has been most afternoons, thunderstorms are getting going inland and some of them are making it to the coast. They're quite strong compact ones, but they're only isolated, as you can see from that bright white popcorn type cloud. In the southeast it's cleared up nicely, but not totally fine. We're still getting random showers here and there, very few. Most of the heavy action's of course in New South Wales now. Today's chart. The first thing you notice is that there are no lines. Normally we rely on a high in the Tasman Sea, which generates the southeasterly trade winds, which keeps us relatively cool. We don't have the high instead. We've got a bunch of lows, which really shouldn't be there. So we don't have those cooling trade winds. Tomorrow's chart, it's exactly the same. Without the cooling trade winds, it's intensely hot and humid anywhere, or everywhere I should say, because we rely on those winds. Statewide, scorching temperatures. And then on the outlook chart, now the next trough comes in. I hate to say this, but it's another real doomsday scenario for the southeast in terms of more rain coming from Thursday onwards. Just what we don't need. The latest now from the Weather Bureau. Boating for Townsville waters, northwest to northeast winds between 10 and 20 knots, not just tomorrow but also Thursday and Friday, even a little bit fresher. Our first tide tomorrow will be a high with a strong run out to the afternoon low tide. The new moon's only 2 days away, so the tidal range is fast approaching its peak. The Herbert and low Burdekin, just a 20% chance of an afternoon shower or storm. 27 for Townsville tonight, 35 tomorrow, 35 also in Ayr and 38 for Ingham. Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders, possible storms in the north only, with Charterstown a very hot night and 41 tomorrow, 37 degrees for Georgetown. Looking ahead for Townsville, the next 7 days promise little respite from this suffocating humidity. The best we can hope for is increasing showers, blunting our top temperatures, but nights will remain ridiculously hot. That's all for this evening, folks. Pleasure to have your company and thank you for watching 7 Local Weather. I'll be back tomorrow with more. Hope you can join me. Now it's back to the team.
Great, thanks for that, Livio. That's all from us for this Tuesday. Thanks for your company.
Just a reminder, anything you'd like to watch again, you can catch up on our 7 Plus app, or if you like, our page, 7news.com.au. See you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.